If you're in Sweden, this will be the most important video you will see today. I used to be so sensitive to everything that happened. I could literally walk into a room and understand exactly what was going on. When someone was really negative, I could feel that and almost like it was me, but it wasn't. And not until I ended up in a situation and a place like this, and not until I ended up in an event almost like this, when I can finally release the blockages that was in me and made me very sensitive to the outside world. Because what I experienced was that what made me sensitive was the things that was brought up to me and onto me as a child. All of that baggage, all of that weight, all of the pain, all of the stuff that made me really sensitive actually went away. When I finally was able to come into a circumstance where I felt safe and protected, I could finally experience the clearing that I actually needed. And from that point on, my life was never the same again. What I understood happened was that my vibration really changed. I became bulletproof to other people's energy, and I was able to do things I never done before. I could go out there, I had so much energy because I released the things that was holding me back. All these negative people that normally could impact my life had no more power over me. All of a sudden, I was in charge. I could decide from a place that I never been before, and all of a sudden, the things that I thought was actually hard to do was no longer hard to do. I started to feel more confident, and I started to experiencing me, the real me that's always been inside but never got to show up really. When everything else I tried failed, coming to events like this was the one thing that raised my vibration so high, and was the only thing that actually worked and made sure I stayed on track and I went for the things that I really wanted to do. It gave my happiness back, it gave my peace of mind back, and it gave me a sense of direction of where to go. I had been missing this for so long, and at that point I just knew it's go time. If you're struggling and you feel like it's like you always get the same problem, it's like you're in a loop. It's the same thing that goes over and over again, and you don't really know how to get out of it. I'm gonna invite you to come to one of our events. It only takes one full day to change your vibration and your state so you go for the new things that you really want to do in your life. That's why I created this 1-day transformation manifestation day where you get to release the blockages inside of you so you can go for the things that you really love in your life. If you click the link down below, you can register and you can reserve your seat. We have only a few early birds tickets that's available right now. So if you want to come join and just test it out, don't believe what I say. Come and experience it and make sure you test it out and see for yourself. These things changed my life. It changed my life to the degree that I'm so great. I couldn't understand what was going on, but I knew that with more energy, there is no problems. So click the link down below and make sure you register at our next event that comes up here in Sweden. And I see you at the event, guys.